Good day, everyone. Learn how to clear cache or app data from Instagram in Android phone. So press and hold the icon of Instagram, and once you press and hold, release it, and then you will find app clone and remove, and just above app clone you will find an exclamation mark, and we need to click on that. And then the third option will be storage and cache, and once we click on that, you will find clear cache and clear storage. So if you want to clear only cache, you can simply click on that and you can see the cache has been cleared. Now it's 0. And if you want to reset the whole app, you can clear the storage, the user data will be deleted, and it will be reset to the factory settings. The Instagram will be reset to the factory settings, and you can log in back again. All right. So you can do only clear cache, or you can do the clear storage as well. But if you just want to clear the cache, you can simply do that, and still you will be able to use Instagram without logging again. Thank you for seeing this video. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.